Before I start, gusto ko munang samahan niyo akong huminga. Wait lang, wala pa. Inhale. Exhale. Okay na. Mabuhay. What a blessed day this is for all of us. As we gather here on this truly momentous and once-in-a-lifetime occasion, take a moment to look around. Look at the people beside you. The faces of whom you've shared every moment. Look at the smiles, the joy, and the sense of accomplishment on each face. I must say, everyone is extremely proud of themselves for reaching this milestone in their lives. Today is a momentous occasion, and it is my honor and privilege to acknowledge everyone who has been part of this amazing and memorable event. To our Department of Education Secretary and Vice President of the Philippines, Honorable Sara Duterte,